Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Find the absolute maximum of a function on a closed interval quickly with these steps. Let's solve this problem now. First, find critical points by setting the derivative 4x minus 8 to 0. Solving this equation shows our critical point is at x equals 2.
Next, we evaluate the original function at the endpoints 0 and 3 and also at our critical point 2. We need to see which of these three values is actually the largest. Comparing results, the function peaks at the beginning. Thus, x equals 0 is the absolute maximum, so pick option A. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rushing. Trust the given information and check your steps.